Today we're going to create this typography letter logo. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. First, get rid of overfill color. Now select the pen tool and start drawing. You can draw any shape you want. I'm going to draw something like letter B. Now select your path and go to stroke points. Make stroke points as 150 points. Then select your line and go to Objects and click on Expand. Click on OK. Now this is not a simple line art. Now grab the pen tool and create some lines like this. I want to add some different colors, so I have to grab these paths one by one. That's why I create this line so I can divide this path. Draw this lines parallel to the near path like this. To finish a drawing, you can hold Alt or Option key and click on the artboard. Then you can start another drawing. Select all the paths and lines. Go to the Pathfinder tool and click and Divide command. Now right click on this and click on Ungroup. Now we have this separated paths that we want. Now grab the pen tool again and draw some lines in edges like this so we can remove those edges and make them look like folded corners. Select all the paths and lines again and go to the Pathfinder tool, then click on Divide command. Now right click on the path and click on Ungroup. Now delete these corner paths. Now let's add some colors to our artwork. We're going to add one color to these two paths because these are front paths of our letter. If you want the color code, it's on the screen now. Now select this path and click on this gradient icon to add a gradient. Add this main blue color to one side of our gradient and add a little darker blue color to the other side so it looks like a shadow effect. For this path we're gonna create 3 sliders in our gradient. To create a slider in gradient palette, you can click on this color line or drag another slider while holding the Alt or Option key. Create the middle one light color and other 2 sliders darker blue color so it look like behind. Now add the previous gradient to other paths and adjust the gradient angle. This is our final logo. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any question, comment down below. See you guys in my next tutorial.